Hello everyone and welcome once again to the sewing workshop. Actually, I've got several requests of a video on how to take a senator outfit measurement. So today I decided to make a video because I have a client right here. So we'll be using him to take the measurement. So if you're watching this video right now, don't forget to drop a comment below and say thank you to our customer. So I will be showing you guys the full tutorial, step-by-step process on how to take the measurements. So here, these are the measurements we will likely be taking on his body. Right here, I have my, let's write them down. So right here, I have my shoulder measurement, I have the chest, I have the sleeve, I have the sleeve length, I have the arm, that's the bicep, and I have the cuff and the full length of the senator outfit. So you can just copy all these measurements according to this line, because you're going to follow each of them one after the other. So you can just write them down. If you want to take a measurement on your client, you can do that. So let's go and take the measurement right now. So first and foremost, I'll be taking the shoulder measurements. So all I'll just have to do is like this. So I'll do this right at the beginning of the shoulder. Right. So here on the shoulder, I'm 17.5 for a measurement. So I'm going to write that down. 17.5. Then I will take the chest measurement. So I will be making sure I'm at the chest point. I will make it round like that. Make sure I leave it in breathing space. So if it's too tight, like this stuff. So I'll just give it lips right here. So here at 36 for it. I'm going to take the cement right from to cuff right here. Sleeve length, I have 23.5 inch for the sleeve length. So I'm going to write so. Now the sleeve cuff. Sorry. Let's take the arm measurement. Let's take the arm measurement. So I'm just going to make sure this go round. So for his arm, I have 11.5 inch. I'm going to write that down. 11.5. Now I'm going to take the cuff, which will be 9.5 for the cuff. Now I'm going to take the length of the outfit. That will be from the shoulder right here down to how long you want it to be. And so far it's a senator outfit. Most people want it to be very if it's a senator, they want it to be very long, but the maximum will be, the minimum is 40 by length, or 38 is the minimum by length, and you can go any other length as your choice. But right now I'll be going with 30. I'll be going with 40 length for this outfit. So here I have the length of 40 inches. And that is all we have to take when taking a senator measurements. During the cutting process, I'll show you guys how to apply the measurements. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you share it with your friends. And that is it. I'll see you guys on my next. Peace. Be yourself. That's what's my course.